Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. In comparison with Bitcoin, Ethereum has some notable differences. While Bitcoin is primarily the means of exchanging currency, Ethereum aims to be much more. Hi, welcome to Crypto Market, where beginners can learn everything related to crypto easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In this video, we're gonna answer these questions. What is Ethereum and what are its features? What is Ethereum used for and which consensus mechanism does it use? The decentralized Ethereum network enables the creation and operation of dApps, smart contracts, and other network transactions. However, Bitcoin doesn't have these capabilities. Through the use of smart contracts, the Ethereum network can be programmed by developers and creators, opening up a world of use cases beyond money transactions. The use of smart contracts is what primarily differentiates Ethereum and Bitcoin. Ethereum is also faster at processing transactions. There are new blocks confirmed on the Bitcoin network once every 10 minutes, and fresh blocks validated on the Ethereum network once every 12 seconds. According to Gary DeVol, the chairman of Cadence Financial Markets and Regulatory Committee. He makes the case that Ethereum transactions might go much more quickly. There are numerous use cases on the Ethereum blockchain. Here you can see some of them. 1. NFTs. The network is the primary platform used for creating, collecting, and selling non-fungible tokens. Although there are other blockchains like Solana that host NFTs, Ethereum is the original blockchain for NFTs. For this reason, many creators and artists have flocked to the network mint and sell their work. 2. Decentralized finance. Another application also founded using the Ethereum blockchain is decentralized finance platforms, such as PancakeSwap. DeFi platforms enable people to lend and borrow funds from others, invest in assets, trade crypto, insure against risks, and earn interest in saving accounts. 3. Decentralized autonomous organization. Another function discovered by Ethereum developers is a decentralized autonomous organization. A DAO is a blockchain-based organization that operates without any central authorities. 4. dApp. Thanks to its open source nature, anyone can deploy dApps on Ethereum. Furthermore, because Ethereum was among the first smart contract blockchains, it gained a first mover advantage. This propelled Ethereum to a dApp king, offering 2,970 dApps out of 473 dApps across all blockchains. To record and output and update the state of the network, Ethereum currently uses a consensus mechanism known as proof of work. Similar to Bitcoin, validator nodes expend computational energy to confirm transactions in a process known as mining. To know more about how proof of work works, you can see our video related to this topic. Although this method is effective, it's not very efficient. Miners must invest in massive amounts of energy and equipment to have a chance at mining the transaction blocks and earning rewards. In this consensus mechanism, companies with huge computing power can take control of over half of the validator nodes, leading to much higher security threats to Ethereum. By definition, a decentralized blockchain can't afford to have central points of failure. The Ethereum founders realized this and included a transaction to another consensus mechanism called proof of stake. On July 15, 2022, Ethereum core developer Tim Bako suggested September 19th as a tentative date for the merge activation in Ethereum mainnet. The merge will replace proof of work consensus with a proof of stake one. It's the first time in the crypto history that a mainstream protocol radically changes its consensus design. If you're interested to get more details about proof of stake, you can find our video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the other videos.